Introducing you the game changer in dental innovation, our state-of-the-art 3D metal and dental printer. It effortlessly processes demanding alloys at lightning-fast speed while maintaining impeccable quality and durability. By integrating digital models and computer-aided design software with our 3D printer, dentists can now create precise designs to meet the unique needs of each patient. Embrace the power of technology, enhance patient care, and unlock a world of infinite possibilities with our cutting-edge 3D metal and dental printer. Join the future of dentistry today.